Hey, fifth graders. Hope everything is good. My last video, we talked about fractions, multiplying fractions. Well, we're going to do the same thing again. We're going to talk about multiplying fractions, but this time we're going to talk about multiplying improper fractions. Let's remember what an improper fraction is. An improper fraction is a fraction where the numerator is greater or the same as the denominator. 5 is greater than the 3. So this is an improper fraction. Let's multiply that by 3 halves. Is this an improper fraction? Yes, it is. The top is bigger than the bottom. But in multiplying fractions, as long as we have a fraction, we can do the normal multiplication, which is multiplying numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. 5 times 3 is 15. 3 times 2 is 6. Now, the one added step here is usually we do not want this answer in an improper fraction. We would like you to simplify that. Simplifying it would mean making it into a mixed number. A mixed number where you have a whole number and a fraction. And you do that by dividing the top by the bottom. So in this case, I have 15 divided by 6. Now the important thing to remember here is your answer will be the whole number. Any remainder we will put over the denominator. So 6 into 15 is 2. And 2 times 6 is 12. We subtract. 5 take away 2 is 3. 1 take away 1 is 0. So this is going to be our remainder. What's left over? So we have 2, which is our whole number, and 3, which goes over the denominator. And like we said in the last video, if you have a number that has a common multiple, they're a common denominator, we can do 2, and then 3 divided by 3 is 1. 6 divided by 3 is 2. You can divide both of these by, 3. And you're going to come up with 1/2. 2 and 1/2 is your final answer. We'll try one more. We are multiplying improper fractions. Improper fractions. Let's go with 7/5. Improper. Why? Because the top is bigger than the bottom. The numerator is greater than the denominator. And we're going to multiply that times 2. Let's make that one an improper fraction as well. We'll make it 4/3. Top greater than the bottom. You can multiply by a proper fraction also. It would still be the same. We're going to go across the top. 7 times 4 is 28. Over 5 times 3, which is 15. Now, remember, this is still an improper fraction, and they would like you to simplify it into a mixed number. So it's going to be 28 divided by 15. 28 into 15. 1 is 15. 8 take away 5 is 3. 2 take away 1 is 1. So remember, the answer is the whole number, and the bottom we put over our denominator. Final answer is 1 13/15. I hope that makes some sense to you. If you have a problem, you have to keep going back to the video and seeing what I did. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you soon.